Hi everyone. In this video, I am explaining the project that is customer segmentation and strategic insights for a Mitron Bank's credit card. It's a resume project challenge 8 given by the CodeBasics. First, I explain the scenario. The Mitron Bank is a legacy financial institution headquartered in Hyderabad. It planned to introduce a new line credit card and it has a strategy team. The director of the strategy team is a Mr. Banshir Rover, and Atlic Data Services is a data service company who get approached to the Mitron Bank and promise to meet their requirements. And this project, data analytic project, is given to the or assigned to the Peter Pandey, who is the data analyst of Atlic Data Services, and he get assisted by the manager, his manager Tony Sharma. Okay, next is the contents. These are the contents that I am explaining in this video. That is the goal of the project, metadata, actual what the data they have given, and data modeling, steps followed to achieve the goal, and dashboard I am explaining, and in different insights, that is demographic, behavior, and segmentation, and lastly the recommended some features. Okay, goal of the project I explaining that as the goal of the project, here the Mitron Bank has given 4,000 customer data set across the 5 cities. First, I have analyzed those data sets, and then I come up with a Power BI dashboard, and that dashboard is an interactive and insightful dashboard. The insights that I am getting from the dashboard is guiding to get the tailored credit card to meet the customer needs and market trends. Okay, finally, I have suggested some credit card features and that might impress the strategy team and the director of the strategy team. Okay, so the next slide, yeah, here is the metadata, and that is the data. There are two files they have given. One is dim customer and fact spends. These two are Excel files, and dim customer. These are the columns that consist, that is customer ID, unique ID for the customer, and gender, whether they are the customer is male or female. Age group, they have taken 4 age groups, that is 21 to 24, 25 to 34, and 35 to 45, and 45 plus, and then marital status, whether they are single or married, and 5 cities they have taken, that is Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, Hyderabad, and Bangalore. Occupation, 5 different occupations they have mentioned. One is salaried IT, salaried other employees, business owners, freelancers, and government employees. And they also given the information about the average income per month of a customer, that is in the dim customer table. Okay, in the next one is the fact spends. This table consists of customer ID, same as the dim customer ID column. Okay, next month, that is they have given 6 months: May, June, July, August, September, and October. And the category means for which purpose they are spending, whether for entertainment, apparel, electronics, different categories are given. Payment type, whether they have used a debit card, credit card, UPI, net banking, and spends, how much they are spending for a different category. This information is given in the fact spends. Okay, this is a data modeling in the Power BI. Okay, as they have given a dim customer and fact spends, these two get connected with the customer ID, and have created a new table, that is for segmentation. That segmentation table is get connected with the fact table, fact spends. And next, for different purpose, I have created two parameters, and I have created many measures, and I made it a separate table for those all the measures. Okay, this is the steps followed to achieve the goal, and it gives the outline. It just explains the outline of the project. I have achieved the goal in 3 ways. That is, or analyzing the data in 3 different ways. One is demographic insight, the spending behavior. The last one is customer segmentation. In demographic insight, I have analyzed the data in two different terms. One is a number of customers, and another one is a monthly income. Number of customers means just I have analyzed the data how the demographic distribution of a customer means how many customers are distributed in different demography. Similarly, the same analysis I have done in terms of monthly income. In spending behavior, I have taken two parameters. One is the income utilization percentage, another one is the total spend. Income utilization percentage is a key metric for this whole project. It is simply nothing but out of their income, how much they are spending. It's simply nothing but a division of a total spends versus the average income they are getting. Okay, so here I have found how much the income utilization for different demography, and for what purpose, for in which category the income utilization percentage is more, and uh, for which category income utilization percentage is less. Okay, like this I am analyzing the data. In the same way, I am analyzing with respect to the total spend. Okay, so by these all the analysis, I got some insights. I have considered those insights, and I have taken the income utilization percentage, and I made three different group of customers that is called a customer segmentation. Okay, I have segmented the customer in three different levels, that is a high, mid, low. I can say top, mid, low also. Okay, so this segmentation is totally depends on the income utilization percentage and the insights that I got from the demographic insight and spending behavior. And finally, I have listed some or I have suggested some credit card features that might help to the strategy team of a Mitron bank. Yeah, this is the dashboard that I have designed, Power BI dashboard, and I am so excited to show this one. This is the home page. Yeah, in the home page, I have given the title, and I have given some explanation about the dashboard. And when I click this one, demographic insight, it will show a little bit information in overall the demographic insight information, and similarly for spending behavior, customer segmentation. And I have given the option here also. If you click here, you can see the whatever the information inside the dashboard. In brief, it is explained here. Okay, so when click this one, the icons, it will lead, or it will navigate to the demographic insight and spending behavior and customer segmentation. Let's get into the actual work. Okay, so this is the demographic insights. Okay, in this one, this graph is explaining the overall information. So here the first count of customer ID means the number of customers is 4,000, as I said previous. In the 4,000, again, how many married and how many is single, male, female. Okay, what I have done here, it is get divided into different demography. First one is a marital status, that is married. So we can see here, married customers are more compared to the single, and in married, male customers are more. So when I considering the marital status and the gender, I have zoomed out that information, and I have got more information regarding the gender and marital status using this graph. In this graph, you can see that there are four legends, that is male married, male single, and female single. Yeah, here you can see almost, yeah, it is 50% male married customers are there, and only 28% female married, and remaining are very less. So we have to concentrate on the male married and the female married customers. Okay, so this is all about the gender and marital status, and the next age group and occupation I am taking into consideration. So when I consider the age group, 25 to 34 and 35 to 45 age group customers are more compared to the 45 plus and 21 to 24. So when I consider the age group and occupation, this graph I am considering, and I have analyzed more regarding the age group and occupation by this graph. In this graph, in overall, the salaried IT employees are more, salaried other employees are next compared to the salaried IT employee, and freelancer, business owner, and government employees. It is in decreasing order. In particular occupation, 25 to 34 and 35 to 45 age group customers are more in all the occupations compared to other age group, that is 21 to 24 and 45 plus. 25 to 34 and 35 to 45 age group customers are more. in all the occupations. So in overall, I can say that the strength of the customers is more in 25 to 34 and 35 to 45. And after that, it is 45 plus and next is 21 to 24. So by doing this, what we can say that what we can do is, if we have concentrated on the group which has more customers, then it will be very easy for us to reach a more customers. Okay, so when I consider the occupation, yes, here it is showing salaried IT employee, but a freelancer, salaried other employee, and business owners are almost equal number of there. It is very less difference. So it is showing only for 25 to 34. When I consider this 35 to 45, yeah, here it is also showing the same performance. Salaried IT employee customers are more, freelancers are next to that, and next salaried other employee, next is business, and next is last is a government employees. So by seeing that, we can give the ranks to uh, the customers or the occupation based on the number of customers. Okay, when I consider the next city. Okay, so in if I consider the city, Mumbai has a more number of city customers, and Delhi is the next, Chennai, and next is Bangalore, and the last one is Hyderabad. Hyderabad has a very less customers who is using. Yeah, this whatever explanation that I have given is with respect to the number of customers. So I can analyze the same thing in terms of average income. So when I switch to the average income, here you can see that with respect to the city and the marital status and the gender, there is no much difference between the cities and the marital status and the genders. Okay, so that's why I'm not considering the gender and marital status and the city. So I'm only concentrating on the age group and the occupation. When I'm considering the age group and the occupations, here you can see that the average income of a business owner, salaried IT employee means average income for a different occupation. So if I see this one, business owner has a more average income compared to IT, government employee, salaried and freelancer. It is decreasing order. And when I compared a particular occupation, considered a particular occupation, in that a 45 plus age group has a more average income compared to 35 to 45, 25 to 34, and is the next, and 21 to 24 is the last. This grade is same for all the occupations. So in overall, we can say that 45 plus age group has a more average income compared to 35 to 45, 25 to 34, and last is a 21 to 24. Yeah, this is a summary table that I have got from the insights from the demographic insights. That is, I have analyzed in terms of number of customer, and this is with respect to I have analyzed the demographics for with respect to the average income, and that I have written in the form of high to low. Okay, so let's jump into the next page of the dashboard, that is demographic sorry spending behavior. Okay, so this dashboard is explaining about the spending behavior. So in the spending behavior, as I told, I have taken two parameters. One is income utilization percentage, and another one is the total spend. For that, I have made the benchmark two, that is a field. I can make it a filter. So first I will go through this uh, graph. Okay, so that is a category. With respect to the category means where they are spending more, where the income utilization percentage is more. So if I have seen here, the bills electronics has a more income utilization percentage compared to health, groceries and all. So here you can see the grades of different categories where the income utilization percentage is more and high, and it is in medium. Okay, so here also we can switch to the month, and in which month the income utilization percentage is more. In September, August and October it is more, and compared to the May, June and July. Okay, this is in overall income utilization percentage analysis. When I consider the age group and the occupation, so if I consider the age group, 25 to 34 and 35 to 45 again is the highest income utilization percentage, and In this age group where they are spending more or where the income utilization percentage is more, in which category, it is again showing the bills. And here you can see the uh, category, that is electronics. The third category where the income utilization percentage is more is the travel. Similarly, we can go through this also. 35 to 45 age group persons or the customer spending more on bills. Next is health and wellness, and next is electronics. Similar in the same way, we can analyze with respect to 21 to 24 age group and 45 plus age group. Okay, so this is with respect to the age group where in which category the income utilization percentage is more. So if I consider the occupation, so in the occupation, I again salaried IT employee and salaried other employees, their income utilization percentage is more. And after these two things, freelancers are has a more income utilization. After that, business owner. Then the last is government employee. So if I consider only the salaried and IT employee, again they're spending more on bills, means the income utilization percentage is more on bills, and then is electronics, and then is health and wellness. The same thing is for the salaried other employee also. The bills, electronics, health and wellness, and the remaining also we can see the categories where they are spending and how much the income utilization percentage. Okay, similar in the same way we can analyze for business owner, freelancer and government employee. Okay, so this is all about the age group and the occupation and the categories, in which category the income utilization percentage is more high and it is in medium level. If I consider the gender and marital status, there is no much difference. Almost all the groups are same, means the ratio of the all the groups are same. So here, if I consider the age group and the occupation separately, as a the this graph is given the result, no, the same result this graph is also giving, that is salaried employee, salaried other employees income utilization percentage is more compared to freelancer, business owner and the government employee. And the 25 to 34 and 35 to 45 age group has a more income utilization percentage compared to other age. Yeah, this is all about the analysis in terms of income utilization percentage. Here you can switch to a total spend. Yeah, when I consider the total spend, here you can see that the category bills, electronics, health and wellness, they are spending more. Grocery, travel, entertainment. So here you can see in which category the spending is more. Okay, so if I consider the month, again same answer is coming, that is September, August and October spending is more compared to May and June. It is resulting exactly same as the income utilization percentage. Okay, almost all graph are showing the same results, but the difference is only this one, that is gender and marital status. Male married are spending more compared to female married, and male married spending more on bills, and next is electronics, and then next is groceries. But the female married spending more on health and wellness first, and next is the bills, and next is travel. Okay, this is the main difference between the total main difference that I got from the analysis that compared to total spend and the income utilization percentage. The remaining graph is showing the same result, that is 25 to 34 spending is more, 35 to 45 is the next spending, and they are spending more on bills first, and next they are spending electronics, and then they are spending more on travel. And similarly 35 to 45 spending more on bills, health and wellness is the next, and they're spending the more on the next to health and wellness, that is electronics. So similarly, if I have considered the occupation, yeah, if I consider the occupation, salaried IT employees and is spending more, salaried other employees are spending less compared to IT. Business owner is the next, freelancer is the next, and government employees are spending is very less. And again, the result is same, the spending more on bills, electronics, health and wellness. Okay, so this and these are the graphs are resulting the same when I compared with the income utilization percentage, but only the difference is in terms of gender and marital status. Okay, next jump into the next analysis, the important one. This I can say this is the heart of uh, project. Okay, that is customer segmentation. Here, based on demographic insight and the spending behavior, I have come up with this table, and I have made the customers as a group, top, mid, and low. In top, income utilization percentage is 25 to 40% or more than 40, 25 to 25% and above. Mid is 10 to 25, and the low is 1 to 10%. And the age group who is belongs to top customer is top segmentation is 25 to 34 and 35 to 40. Similarly, I have done for the occupation, spending per preferences, gender and marital status, and the cities. How I did that, how on which basis I did this table is based on the that is demographic insights and based on the spending behavior. Okay, here in this one I have segmented or have grouped the customers. See here you can see that in this graph, the customers who is using the credit card is more compared to the other users, that is UPI, debit card and the net banking. Okay, so in this almost 41% of customers are using credit cards. In this 41% of customers, I have again grouped the customers as a top, mid and low. This is top, mid and low. Top customers are 11%, mid customers are 82%, almost 81%, and the low customers or who customers who belongs to the low is 8%. Okay, this is all about the filter that I have selected. Here I have selected the credit card. Okay, when I switch to the debit card, net banking and UPI, it get changes. So I totally concentrating on the credit card. So in all the analysis, I have filtered to the credit card only. Okay, so here I can give the proof of this segmentation. For example, in the age group 25 to 34 and 35 to 45, this age group customers I uh, given as a top. Here I can say I can give the proof here. See if I filter sorry, if I have filtered to 25 to 34 age group. So here you can see that the top customers who belongs to this in this age group, the customers are belonging to the top level is more. Okay, so if I have considered this 35 to 45, the top customers ratio is decreasing. And when I consider 21 to 24, there is no top customers at all. And when I 45, there is no. So that's why I am giving 25 to 34 and 35 to 45 age group customers are top. Okay, similarly, you can go for the occupation, that is a salaried IT employee in. Okay, so I have considered this one. That's why it is coming like that. So only the occupation, that is salaried IT employee. So more ratio, more of percentage customers are there in high. And if I consider the government, then there is no customers who belongs to the top level. Okay, salaried other employee like this. Okay, so yeah, and here also the percentage it is showing how many percentage of customers in high, low and mid it is showing. Okay, this is a table of segmentation. So top, mid, and low. These are the that I have explained in the previous only. Okay, so next is the last is the recommended features. I have recommended a features based on a segmentation only. The top uh, for top segment, mid and low. For the top segments, we can improve the percentage by enhancing the rewards, concert services, giving concert services, flexible payments plans, and similarly for mid segment, they are most interested in travel, so by giving travel benefits, business supports, and partner discounts. Okay, so how I have recommended these features is totally based on this table. Okay, so this top, it consists of this age group, and they are spending more on bills, health, and electronics. So we have to give more discounts in bills, health, and electronics, and we have to concentrate more on male married. Okay, and salaried IT and other employees, and we have to concentrate on the cities Mumbai and Delhi. Like this way, I have suggested some features. Okay, in overall, I can say that how we have to structure a feature, or how we have to uh, give the feature for the credit card is, as we have seen in the segmentation, more percentage of customers are in belongs to the mid segment only, and compared to mid segment, top segment customers are very less. Okay, so our plan must be such that we have to concentrate on mid segment customers, and we have to enhance those customers in such a way that they have to transfer to the top segment, means their income utilization percentage must be high to make them to top segment. So in that way we have to give the benefits, we have to structure the credit card features. Okay, that's all. Okay, thank you everyone for watching this video, and especially I want to thanks a lot for Code Basics team. If you have any questions, you can drop the comments in the comment section. Thank you.